Betterment Mobile App, what transactions you can initiate. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, for Betterment, you can use transactions that are at a goal or account. You can add another account and initiate transactions. And for another, which is adjust holding, you can view and adjust holdings. And another thing which you can do is add your external accounts. After you add your external accounts, you will be able to initiate transaction from there as well. And this is Betterment Mobile App, what transactions you can initiate. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.